player move, like move to the left, to the right, and all that stuff. In our previous video, I showed you guys how to import your character, scene, and soundsets. Sorry about my voice in the other video because I was really tired and I just recorded the video, but today's video I'm lively. Okay, so let's get on to today's video. Firstly, we're going to open our hero. So we're going to open him. This is what you see. Then we'll have to go to events. Then when you click on events, this is what you're going to see. Going to show us this basic thing. This is what you're going to see. All this. Firstly, we have to add an event. We go to basics and then add a when updating event. When an updating event happens like in every frame, so it's actually what we need to make our player move. Firstly, we're going to add an X speed for our actor. But when updating, we want to set our actor's X speed to 0. So like if nothing is happening, we set our actor's X speed to 0. X speed means left or right, so we just have to set. So okay, look at it here. I'm going to set X speed to whatever we want it to be. So X speed is going to be 0 because we don't want him to be moving. If nothing is happening on the screen. Then we have to grab an if statement. Grab it here. An if statement is just like an if in real world. If this is happening, do this. If that is happening, do that. Sorry about my voice, it's cracking. If this is happening, do this. That is happening, do that. So we have to look for if. Okay, we go to user inputs. Click on this drop down, then go to user inputs. Then you're going to see keyboard. Control is down. Click on it. Then this will show. Then if control is down, do that. So if the right control is down, then we want to set our X speed. So just click. If you want to duplicate this X speed, click Alt and drag. Then set X speed, let's say to 20. 20 is like to the right, then minus 20 is to the left. So if right is down, set X speed to 20. Then we're going to put this in our code. Then we're going to duplicate the whole if statement. Duplicate it. So this is what you get. Then switch this to left and then change the 20 to minus 20. After you've done this, let's test the game and see how it goes. Compiling. Whoa. Waiting for a game to compile. Compiling. Okay, it's done compiling. Now if you click on the left key on our keyboard, that will be like those arrow keys on our keyboard. We click it, our character moves to the right. If you click on the left, he moves to the left. So this is like fun to start with, but our character does not look like he's moving. It's just like he's sliding or something is pushing him across the screen. Now we have to add animations for our character. In the previous video, we added an idle animation on the run left and let me rename this to run right. Okay, let me just remove the spacing because Stencyl is really name sensitive. If you make a mistake in capital letter and spacing, your code might not work. So no spacing. So one left, one right. Then now let's go back to the events. So if right is down, set XP to 20. Then we have to look for the switch. Okay, that's not the spelling. I can't spell. Switch animation. So you'll find it here, switch animation for actor. So if right is down, set XP to 20 and then switch animation to run right. Run right, and then if, then copy this, paste it here, and then if left is down, switch animation to run left. Okay, let's test this out. Compiling. It's really fun experience to make your own game. It's really fun, but coding might be really troublesome because if you get an error, it really frustrates you. Okay, our game loaded. Okay, now do you see this? It looks like he's running. Okay, and if you move to the left, it looks like he's running. Now we've encountered the problem because if we let go of our left or right, our player still has this running animation, so we have to fix that. It's just an easy fix. So go back into your flow, grab an if statement, then now we're going to grab a boolean block, an or statement, so we put it in here, and then have to get this control alt, then drag in here if right is down or left is down. Now we're not going to leave it if right is down, we're going to change it to was released if left was released. Then we switch our animation back to idle. So switching. Ouch, idle. If right was released or left was released, switch animation to idle. Then we just have to place it here, right below the all other blocks. So we just keep it and test game, yeah. Compiling. If right was released or left was released, switch animation to idle for self and all that stuff. Okay, now let's see if it works. So opening our game. So now we can run right, we can run left. Now if I let go of my controls, let's see what happens. It changes back. So we can run left, we can run right. So this is like a basic starter for a game because now it's looking like a game because our character can move. No, he's not just standing still again. So I think this will bring us to the end of today's video because it's long enough already. So in our next video we'll be dealing on how to make our character jump, like jump up, because now I'm pressing the up arrow key, it's not doing anything, so we have to add a code for jumping. Firstly, I have to rename this because it will be easier to access your file, so we just have to name this moving. Let me just name it moving. So this is the basic code. If I was too fast for you, just have to pause the video and do it in your Stencyl code, then play it back. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope I was lively enough for you guys, my last video I was so tired. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was really awesome making this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.